What is up, Drama Alert Nation? I'm your host, Killer Keemstar. Let's get right into the news.
Today, we have a debate between a creationist and an atheist. Hello, I am an atheist, meaning I don't believe in any god. I believe in evolution and the fact that the world is billions of years old. Hello, I am a creationist, meaning I believe in God. I believe that God created everything in 7 days and the world is only a few thousand years old. How can you prove that God exists? How else could this world be created? It could only be created by someone with greater power than anything. Well, I believe that there was a Big Bang and it quickly expanded, creating everything. This is very good and all, but how did the Big Bang happen in the first place then? Let me think. Next question. Why is there evil like terrorist attacks and murders even though God is all loving and all powerful? Evil is simply lack of good, meaning evil doesn't exist. If that was the case, why can God not just give everybody goodness as he is all powerful? Okay, I'm going to go now. Bye.